Hello, amazing energy explorers! Welcome to Kids Learning Bharat. Have you ever wondered how your favorite toys light up, or how the TV turns on, or where the power for your school comes from? It all needs something super important: energy. Today, we are going on an exciting journey to discover where all that magic power comes from. We are going to meet two very special friends who know everything about energy. First, meet the bright and sunny Sunlight Sally. She loves all things clean and green. And next, meet the very knowledgeable Professor Petro. He knows all about the energy we use right now. And I'm Wattson, your energy detective. Our mission today is to understand the difference between two types of energy, non-renewable and renewable. Let's start with Professor Petro. Professor, where does most of our power come from right now? Hello, Wattson, and hello, future scientists. Most of the energy we use today comes from what we call non-renewable sources. Non-renewable? What does that mean? Think of non-renewable energy like a giant jar of cookies. The cookies are delicious and they give us lots of energy, but once you eat them all, they are gone forever. They do not grow back. The main types of non-renewable energy are coal, oil, and natural gas. We have to dig deep into the earth to find these. They are ancient gifts, but they took millions and millions of years to form. Since we use them so fast to power our cars, light our houses, and run our factories, we can't wait for the Earth to make more. So they will eventually run out? That sounds a little scary. They will, Wattson, and there's another problem. When we burn coal and oil to make power, they release dirty smoke and gases into the air. We call this pollution. This pollution makes the Earth cough, and it's not good for our health or our planet. So while these sources are powerful and easy to use right now, they are limited and they are dirty. Now let's hear from the other side. Sunlight Sally, tell us about your kind of power. Sunlight Sally, I'd be delighted. If Professor Petro's energy is the jar of cookies that runs out, my energy sources are like a magical, never-ending supply of delicious, healthy power. We call my sources renewable energy. Renewable means they renew themselves, or they keep coming back, naturally, all the time. They are the clean, bright heroes of the energy world, and the very best part is that they don't make the Earth cough. They are clean. Let's meet the three biggest renewable superheroes. First up, the sun. This is solar power. The sun shines every single day, right? We use special, shiny panels, often found on rooftops, called solar panels. These panels catch those bright sunbeams and turn them into electricity. It's like having a gigantic, free, clean charger in the sky. As long as the sun shines, we have power. Wow! Free energy from the sky? That's amazing! Sunlight Sally, it truly is. Next, let's talk about wind power. Have you ever seen giant, three-bladed windmills, often near the ocean or in big fields? These are called wind turbines. When the wind blows, it spins those enormous blades. That spinning motion makes electricity. As long as the wind keeps blowing, we keep getting power. The wind never stops, so the power never stops. So, we have the sun and the wind. What else renews itself? Sunlight Sally. Excellent question, Wattson. Our third big source is water power, or hydropower. When water moves, it has a lot of force. We sometimes build big walls, called dams, on rivers. The moving water rushes through, pushing giant turbines, just like the wind does. And because the Earth's water cycle keeps the rivers flowing, this energy keeps coming back too. We also have other cool renewable sources, like geothermal, which uses the natural heat from deep inside the Earth, and biomass, which uses things that grow, like plants and trees. See, Watson? The difference is huge. Non-renewables are finite, they run out. Renewables are infinite, they never stop. Okay, let me try to summarize this, Professor and Sally. Professor Petro's energy is non-renewable. It's like cookies that run out, and they make dirty smoke, coal, oil, gas. Sunlight Sally's energy is renewable. It's like a magical garden that gives us endless, clean power. Sun, wind, water. Is that right? Sunlight, Sally. That is absolutely perfect, Watson. The world is realizing that to keep our planet healthy for you and your children, we must switch to clean, renewable energy. It protects the air we breathe, and it guarantees we will always have power. While my energy sources are very powerful right now, we all agree that the future must be powered by clean energy. We need to be smart and careful with how we use the resources we have left. It's not just about where the power comes from, it's also about how we use it. We can all be energy superheroes. Here are 3 simple things every kid watching can do right now to help save energy. Be a light switch ninja. Always turn off the lights when you leave a room. If you aren't in there, the light doesn't need to be on. 2. Unplug the chargers. Even when your phone or tablet is full, the charger still sucks up a little bit of power if it's plugged into the wall. Unplug it when you're done charging. 3. Spend more time playing outside. Outside play uses 0 electricity. It's fun and it saves power. Remember, every little bit of energy saved is a win for the planet. So, future leaders, remember the difference. Non-renewable is limited and polluting. Renewable is endless, clean, and amazing for the Earth. We all need to support the clean energy transition to keep our Bharat clean and green. Thank you, Sunlight Sally, for showing us the light, and thank you, Professor Petro, for teaching us about our current power sources. Keep exploring, keep learning, and keep saving energy. Goodbye for now.